A London-based company has successfully completed a test flight of a futuristic vehicle that could one day replace conventional cars. Bellwether Industries has unveiled the Volar Evtol, an electric vertical takeoff and landing hypercar created for private urban use. What sets the Volar apart is its groundbreaking design. It has no large wings or exposed rotors, making it significantly safer and more practical for city environments. It is believed to be the world's first of its kind. In its latest milestone, a half-scale version of the Volar soared 13 feet, 4 meters, above ground, reaching a speed of 40 kilometers per hour, 25 miles per hour. The test flight, conducted in Dubai, successfully demonstrated the vehicle's stability, control, and potential as a viable mode of future transport. According to the development team, this test marks the beginning of a series of experimental stages aimed at refining the Volar into a full-scale, fully operational vehicle. Bellwether's vision for the full-size Volar includes a sleek 4 to 5-seat aircraft designed for intracity travel. Once fully developed, the Volar is expected to operate at altitudes of around 3,000 feet, 915 meters, and reach speeds of up to 220 kilometers per hour, 135 miles per hour, effectively reducing commute times and redefining urban mobility. Our ultimate goal is to create a personal urban aircraft that gives people the freedom to fly from anywhere to anywhere, at any time, said KT Lin, Chief Operating Officer and co-founder of Bellwether Industries. The Volar flew smoothly and proved the strength of our innovation and technology. We believe deeply in what we're building and are committed to continuous improvement to reach perfection. Kuan-Yang Daniel Chen, the CEO and founder of Bellwether Industries, added, 2026 marked a major turning point for us. It's thrilling to witness our Volar, an eVTOL, with no large wings or open blades, become a reality. Stay tuned to Meetamoto for more exciting updates on futuristic tech. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you, and see you in the next video.